Mastering email etiquette. Reply and forward like a pro. Hello learners. Today, we're delving into the heart of professional communication. Emails are a cornerstone of communication in the workplace, and knowing how to appropriately reply and forward can set you apart. Let's understand the importance of email etiquette, especially when it comes to replying and forwarding. When replying to an email, 1. Always acknowledge the original message. 2. Stay on topic. Keep your reply relevant to the subject and content of the original email. 3. Be concise yet complete. Avoid unnecessary details, but ensure that the recipient gets all the information they need. 4. Use professional language and maintain a respectful tone. 5. If a question is asked, ensure it's answered in your reply. 6. Proofread your message for errors before sending. Forwarding an email is more than just clicking a button. 1. Always include context. When forwarding an email, add a brief note at the top explaining the reason. 2. Check the content. Ensure there's no sensitive or confidential information in the thread. 3. Trim the email thread if necessary. Long email chains can be cumbersome, so consider deleting unnecessary parts. 4. Update the subject line if needed to reflect the content or purpose of the forwarded message. 5. Always inform the original sender if you're forwarding their email to someone they might not be aware of, unless it's common practice or understood in the context. 1. Avoid reply all, unless everyone in the original email needs to see your response. 2. Never forward gossip or rumors. It's unprofessional and can harm reputations. 3. Don't ignore emails. If you can't respond immediately, acknowledge receipt and let the sender know when they can expect a response. 4. Avoid using all caps as it can come off as shouting. There you have it, the fundamentals of replying and forwarding emails in a professional setting. Remember, emails are a reflection of your professionalism, so always take a moment to ensure you're putting your best foot forward. We hope this video has been insightful. Happy emailing, and until next time, keep learning.